I'm going to show you how to use Show My Homework. All work that we set for students for homework should be put onto Show My Homework. This is so students can access it outside of school, see what they've got to complete, and parents can access that as well. They can access it through a desktop computer or a tablet or a mobile device. On your desktop at school, you'll see the Show My Homework logo. Also, you can see this by going to the Thornleigh website, and there is a link to it there. If you load it up, you'll have to log in through the Google login. So it will arrive on this page here. The easiest way for you to log in is just to hit the sign in with Google button. And the kids will do this the same way. It won't work if you try and log in at the top. So once you've clicked sign in with Google, you need to put your school email address and password, and it will work. You'll be met by your dashboard. This shows any tasks that are due to be completed this week. So you can see that I have a Year 12 class who are due to hand some homework in on Friday the 18th of September. I can also click at the top to see the tasks that I've set this week, and I can actually look at the tasks that I have set. Down the left hand side is my navigation bar. If I click on the Set Homework button, it's going to come up with this page. There's lots of different things and tasks that you can set. So I generally tend to use assignments where you can create homework, but there are other types of things you could do. You could set a spelling test, a class test, quizzes, etc. So I'm going to create a homework here for one of my classes. So click on the Create Homework button. This page will appear. You need to give it a title. So I'm going to call it Python Homework. Give a description of the task in here. You can then select the classes that you want to set it for. You can set it for multiple classes just by clicking on the tick boxes, and you'll see that that will change at the top. You can decide when you want to issue it. So you can set an issue date in the future. So it could be for a class which I have tomorrow, and I want that in a week later on the 24th. Give an estimated time for completion, and then you can decide how you want that to be submitted to you. So do you want them to send it to you? It might be via Google Classroom, or do you want it to submit it to you? So you can choose Google Classroom down here, or another way, do you want them to hand it in their books? You can decide that, and it will just give them an idea how to submit that to you. You can decide whether it's going to be marked or not, or you can just leave that as no grade required. And you can actually choose the subject that you want to set it for. Once you've done that, if you scroll down, you can add an attachment. An attachment could be a PowerPoint to help the students, or it could be anything else that you think would be useful, and you can put links into different news articles, etc. Once you've done that, publish your assignment, and that should be set for your classes. If you click on the My Classes book down the left hand side, the navigation link, it will bring up all your different classes. So I know I've set some work from my Year 12s. If you click on Manage Class, it will take you to that class page. It will show you the students who are in that class. You can see all homework that has been set, and you can add other bits and pieces if you want to. The Timetable tab, if it's activated for you, will show your timetable as well. I hope that's been useful. If there are any other questions about Show My Homework, please let me know.